Hello and a warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. Today's featured car is this Ford Focus 1.5 diesel titanium 5-door, 6-speed, 120 brake horsepower. It's got a full service history with it, and it does have integrated satellite navigation as well. Absolutely fantastic colour. We've got parking sensors on the rear to aid you in all your rear parking needs. So you get an audible beep and a visualisation on the screen in front to show where the object is. Inside, no odours whatsoever, no pet odours, no cigarette odours. ISOFIX child seat anchor points in the back to keep babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. There's a 12-volt supply also for charging your bits and bobs for rear passengers. Lumbar support there for the driver. Full adjustment of driver's seating position, and steering wheel's telescopic and goes up and down as well. Dual zone climate control, 12-volt power supply and USB connectivity there in the front. Sync 2 with phone including Bluetooth, audio streaming, navigation, radio including DAB, AM and FM, and climate control functions. On the steering wheel we've got speed limiter and cruise control. Just behind in the centre of your screen now, the button is your engine stop start button. Volume control and control for both Bluetooth audio, regular audio and your phone. Power to all 4 windows there on the door card. Electronic door mirror adjustment, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. Beautiful car in beautiful condition, no marks on any of the alloys. Travel along to see us, it will be worth your while. We scrutinise the price on a daily basis to make sure you're getting an absolute bargain. Not only that though, the car's been prepared and serviced by our Ford trained technicians, and second to none peace of mind with our award-winning customer care and aftercare service. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye for now.